Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of y if we have y to the power of 4 plus 4 is equals to 0 and we solve this problem for all the values of y. So you see here the highest power of y is 4. It means that this equation has 4 roots or 4 solutions. So we need to find all that 4 roots. For this here in this question we will use the completing square technique to find all the roots of this equation, and I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem. So here first we rewrite this equation as here we write y to the power of 4 as y square and its whole square, plus we write this 4 as 2 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So if you see here in this formula, the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. It means that we have these are the two terms a square plus b square. So here we need this term 2 times of ab. So here in order to make this term 2 times of ab, we just add both of the sides by 2 times of a and b. So here we just write that adding on both of the sides by 2 times of ab. So here our a is y square and our b is 2. Okay, this is our a and this is our b. So we just add both sides by 2 times of y square into 2. So after adding this term into the above given equation, on this equation our this equation is implies that so we have this is y square and its whole square plus 2 square plus this is 2 times of ab. So we add this term 2 times of y square into 2, so we add this on both of the sides, so it will becomes here 2 times of y square into 2. So here you see that we just add both of the sides by this term, and now you focus on these three terms, and you see here this is a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So here we just use this formula and we combine. If you combine these terms, we get here this combination form. So we write all of these terms in this combination form, and it will be written as now y square plus 2 whole square is equals to, here you have 2 times 2 becomes 4 times of y square. So here we just complete the square of given equation, and now here for the values of y we need to take square root on both of the sides, so that here when we take square root it will be written as in this form. So we apply square root on both of the sides, so this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here y square plus 2 equals to, here we know that a square root of 4 becomes 2 and square root of y square becomes y. Further you see here when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will write here plus minus sign any one of the sides, so we write it into the right hand side. And now we break this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write y square plus 2 is equals to plus 2y, and the second case is we write y square plus 2 is equals to minus 2y. So from here we move this plus 2y into the left hand side, and it will become y square minus 2y plus 2 equals to 0, and from here we get y square, this is minus 2y becomes plus 2y, and plus 2 is equals to 0. So we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So further in order to find the all 4 roots of the given equation, we need to solve both of these two equations. So here first we focus on equation number 1. So this is quadratic equation, and we apply the quadratic formula on here. So for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, and c is equals to plus 2. So we state the quadratic formula as y equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c. So the value of b is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 2, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. So we obtain here minus times minus becomes 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 square becomes 4 minus 4 times of 2 divided by 2. So here you see that inside the square root sign we have 4 be the common term, so that we will take common 4 and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 2 and it is divided by 2. And now here in the next step we write this term as this is y is equals to 2 plus minus. Here we know that square root of 4 becomes 2 and this is 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1 square root and it is divided by 2. So here in the next step we need to break this fraction, and when we break this fraction it will be written as y is equals to 2 over 2 plus minus 2. We know that minus 1 square root becomes iota and it is divided by 2. So these are cancelled out by each other and we get here the first two roots of the given equation are 1 plus minus iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation. And now here in order to find the other two roots we need to focus on equation number 2. So that first we copy down equation number 2. Here it is y square plus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0. So here in this equation we again apply the quadratic formula on here and we get the other two roots. So for this we write the first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to 2, and we state the quadratic formula as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula, and here we again substitute the values of a, b and c, and it will becomes here minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. B is 2 square becomes 4 minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 2 divided by 2 times of a is 1 becomes here 2. So further we have this is minus 2 plus minus square root of, here we need to take common 4 and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 2 divided by 2. And we have this is minus 2 plus minus, we know that square root of 4 becomes 2 into square root of 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1 divided by 2. So finally we have y is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 times, we know that minus 1 square root becomes iota, and here we break this fraction and we write these 2 separately on both of these values. So this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we will obtain here y is equals to minus 1 plus minus iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and we get there are 4 roots of the given equation in which these are the 2 roots and other 2 roots are y is equals to 1 plus minus iota. So these are the 4 roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.